What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are our family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Make sure y'all let me know down below how y'all are doing. Now, y'all, I tried to record this whole video for you guys, but somehow my phone was not recording, so I didn't catch any of the beginning. But hey, we're gonna start where we at, okay? Y'all, so today was one of my best baby's birthday, and she decided to come sit down and get this birthday sleigh. So of course I had to pull her all the way together. We decided to do some thigh length knotless with curls on the end, and she wanted something a little different, so we decided to do a heart on the side. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the process. It did take us a little minute to complete this style, but I mean, we wasn't in a rush. We were literally kicking it all day. But she did have a photo shoot, so after we got done, she went ahead and got her makeup and stuff done for that. But I'm just glad, you know, my friends think so highly of me and my work, and know that no matter what style they're gonna get, it's gonna be on point. As y'all know, y'all will be able to find all of my products that I used in this video down below in the description box. While you're there, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront. I list all of my favorite products on there. And if you want an even more detailed video over this hairstyle, go ahead and join my Patreon and become a VIP member, and I will definitely get this video up for you guys. I'm not gonna do much talking, you guys. I just want to come on and say hey girl, hey, and wish my bestie boo a happy birthday. I wish you nothing but love, prosperity, and successes. Cheers to 30, baby. We getting on up there, baby, but 30 is like the new 20, but with a little bit of money. You hear me? Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for rocking with me and for watching my videos. If y'all have any style that y'all want to see, be sure to drop that down below in the comment section. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave those down below as well. I love y'all. Make sure you be careful out here, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.